Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to Sieera Madre Gold and Silver's corporate update on commodity TV. Sieera Madre Gold and Silver announced its results for the year ended 31st December 2024 and, of course, the fourth quarter. The mine is now operating at full capacity and the figures still reflect the 6 months test mining and ramp-up of the mine. Commercial production was achieved on 1st January this year. After refining, processing and smelting costs, the company recorded net revenues of $6.5 million for the 6 months period ended 31st December, which equates to approximately $28.35 per silver equivalent ounce. The company averaged $30.37 per silver ounce sold and $2,594 per ounce of gold sold for the 6 months ended last year. In the fourth quarter of 2024, Sieera Madre recorded silver revenues of approximately $1.9 million and gold revenues of approximately $2.4 million. So also here we see a rising trend. Cost of sales for the 6 months ended at 31st December was $5.1 million, approximately $22.40 per silver equivalent ounce sold, which compares to $20.95 per silver equivalent ounce sold in the fourth quarter and $24.13 per silver equivalent ounce sold in the third quarter last year. A gross profit for the fiscal year 2024 of $1.36 million was realized. That's fantastic, folks, because the mine just started. It was a ramp-up phase. So making money during the ramp-up, this is not normal. Approximately 22% of the material processed was from areas defined in the company's 1st November 2023 resource report. The remainder of the material processed was from previously unknown silver and gold mineralization discovered during development and from former waste rock. The average silver recovery since the start of test processing was 79% and gold recovery averaged 84%. On 10th December 2024, the company announced that the processing plant was in industrial production, having operated at 86% of the nominal mill circuit capacity of 516 wet metric tons per day for the previous 2 months, exceeding the technical standard of 80% for 30 days. Sieera Madre delivered its first concentrate shipment on 26 July 2024 and completed shipments through 31st December 2024, totaling approximately 1,293 dry metric tons of silver gold concentrates, containing an estimated 108,000 ounces of silver approximately and an estimated 1,436 ounces of gold. In the fourth quarter of 2024, the company completed shipments totaling approximately 795 dry metric tons silver gold concentrates, containing an estimated 59,178 ounces of silver and an estimated 897 ounces of gold. So you see also here there is the trend rising. We look forward to the first quarter when the numbers come out. The company also announced the start of underground mining at the Coloso mine, located within the producing Guitarra Complex in the state of Mexico. The Coloso silver gold mine is located only 4 kilometers northwest of the Guitarra processing plant. Coloso was developed and mined by First Majestic Silver from 2014 to 2018. The mine has 12 kilometers of underground workings. This underground development has allowed Sieera Madre to restart the Coloso mine with minimal pre-production expenditures and 7 months ahead of schedule. The estimated resource grades of Coloso are on average 1.7 times higher in silver and 1.2 times higher in gold compared to the Guitarra veins. As the thickness of the veins varies from less than 1 meter to more than 2 meters, different mining methods and blasting techniques will be used during the mine ramp-up to determine the best combination of mining method, cost and grade dilution. Mining has begun in the Jessica vein system and drifting is underway in the Georgia Larga system. Operations have commenced at a rate of 50 tons per day of mineralized material and will increase to 150 tons per day by year end. These tonnages would replace a portion of the mill feed currently being sourced from the Guitarra mine, while the processing plant continues to operate at a rate of 500 tons per day. The average indicated grade of the 2023 Coloso resource estimate is 221 grams silver per ton and 1.61 grams gold per ton, compared to the Guitarra vein average grades of 123 grams silver per ton and 1.25 grams gold per ton. With Guitarra reaching commercial production of 1st January this year, Sieera Madre expects mine operating costs to decrease as mining and processing operations are closer to expectations for ongoing commercial production. We expect the same thing. Mineralized material grades are expected to improve in 2025 and mining costs per ounce are expected to decrease going forward. Sierra Madre is progressing nicely. The chart looks really interesting. A breakout above the 68 Canadian cents level would open the way up to $1.20, maybe even higher. So the stock is a real screaming buy. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The share discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and of course, I'm a shareholder of this fantastic company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.